the key benefits for me is to have a very structured approach to data, and in a collaborative environment, everybody's using the same tool, so there's a good transfer of knowledge there. So all in all, I think it really does benefit the learning process.
I think the biggest benefit that's immediately obvious is the accessibility to all this very good technologies that are out there already, and with minimum effort to set it up from the student side, and they can just directly dig into it and have a hands-on experience on the actual technology and work with it and be productive with it, as opposed to spending all this time and all this overhead of setting it up and figuring out how to use it.
The moment we are teaching in a generic way, while if we have a system like this as part of the course, then case studies would be highly realistic and the students can see very clearly what they are going to do when they venture into the real world.
Working in a group or group-based education is going to be much supported by such a platform, which is something we need in this specialty, data science. It's all about collaboration, elaboration, innovating, creating new ideas. So having different team members involved is going to make difference. The platform works intuitively with workspaces.
In our experience, we spend so much time just between us sending emails to each other and sharing files and copying the files and then making sure that we're synced and we have the same changes between us. And all this can be, in my view, it can be eliminated, at least minimized through this collaborative platform. And I mean, social computation nowadays is the way to go forwards and the way to become more productive and get results out much faster and quicker.
For students to be able to use something which is real, it's also good for a collaborative workspace, teaching students to work together and the benefits of working together. And I think it's just a very well-rounded product.
I do think it could be really beneficial. I think it's very exciting, and it would be nice to be available, I think, to students. I found it very intuitive. I think all the stuff is there.
You don't have to have multiple systems where you're going to run separate training sessions. You just get into one platform and we are good to go.